service? Are you getting room service? Robert Kahn breakfast. What's for breakfast?
Bagels, cream cheese, yogurt, and a banana. And coffee. Half the prize money will go to St. Jude's. There is a bonus ticket in there. If that ticket is drawn, all the money goes to St. Jude.
Yay! Last $10 for people over here on the right side for doing. Actually, I guess that's your left side. One last time, it's going to be 4 pushes, max beds. We're doing it in the order that you signed up. Any questions? All right, first up is Charlie Wood. Max bed. I think that only goes to 1. Yeah, hit the max bed.
Good name, Terry. Terry's the next one.
Come on, Terry Goblins.
Alright, thank y'all for playing.
It's formal night here on the Carnival Sunshine.
It's fancy pants night. It's fancy pants night.
Wait. It's the annual sock tournament. And so you can see, there's 2 of the losers.
To the losers.
No, that's the losers.
Oh, that's not nice.
We have our annual family sock contest. And whoever has the best sock wins. I'm the reigning champ.
Funniest sock?
Funniest, the best, the coolest.
Can I see?
Nope. No. It's a dinner reveal.
It's funny sock.
We've had a year of bad talking each other.
Oh yeah.
It all comes tonight. A culmination of fancy socks.
It goes down.
Funny socks. It all goes on tonight.
I win all the
It
time
doesn't.
with that.
It doesn't count.
But he bought it.
I bought that. It doesn't matter.
I like your ears.
You have funny ears. I like them.
Very good. What did I have to go in here for before I was so rudely interrupted?
Oops.
What did I have to go in here for him? Oh, his nose.
Tissue. All right. Ready? You all have a good dinner?
You too.
Wrong direction.
Robert.
You guys have a good night.
Anthony, get over here.
Anthony, they're waiting on you.
Anthony, come.
Oh, you hurt my feelings.
Anthony, let me do your nose.
It works.
Where's my?
I don't know what you did, David.
GoPro. Take a photo.
Your GoPro
Doesn't do stuff, Dave.
It did.
I didn't hear it.
You didn't have to hear it.
You didn't hear 8,000 beeps?
Nope. Oh.
Look. Never actually turned it on.
We're flashing back, Terry. Is that what you're saying?
Flashback.
Robert, I got video on.
That was close. I almost lost my brother over a scallop. Thank God. Thank God. This guy did not swallow. I'm so grateful. But this guy did. Hey, look. Look at this. Look at this. That's Robert Envy times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already ate number 6. Oh my God, look at that. Have you ever seen such a beautiful thing in your life? Look at it. What is it? Whatever. It's amazing. I love it. That's a thing of beauty.
You're fishing all. You get all lobster, that's why you're fishing. You know? All
That's right. Thank you. I love it. God, who ate 7 lobsters?
That's because he was afraid that he wasn't molesting.
Disappointment.
Woo!
It's on the table. Space Jam. I like it. I like it. I like it like that. That's good. So,
Yo, pull them up from the bottom, not down from the top.
are you ready? Are you ready? It's gonna go up. Where is it going? Where is it going? Oh, it's going higher. It's going higher and higher and higher. Oh, round fish. Nice. All right.
Very nice.
Dave's got the ostrich.
Okay.
What do we think? What do you think?
I'm not impressed.
The defending champ. The defending champ. 2 years in a row. No, he only competed 1 year. Because last year there was no competition. So let's see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. Mine's a 2-part saw. Of course it's a 2-part saw.
Yep.
So, my first one, in honor of this guy right here. My brother, David. Wait, and in honor of this guy, me. Now that's original. Who wins? That's original. Do I win again?
That is original. I got that one.
Do I win again? Reigning champ, 3 years in a row. We only competed 2 years, but he's 3 years in a row. I default. Terry, my brother. I love yours. I'm sorry. Here we are. We're all full of lobster. Some of us ate 7. Some of us did not eat a single lobster, and they're walking in shame.
I'm walking with you.
Walk in shame, walk in shame, walk in shame. I almost died.
Who almost died at dinner tonight?
7 lobsters. That's a cruise record. 7 lobsters.
It would have been 8, but I stole one, and it was a bad one.
7 freaking lobsters. Woo! Go up one and go across.